But this is the Kershaw filter. Man, this, okay, there we go. The Kershaw filter. I liked it because, first of all, it visually appealed to me, and then when I put it in my hand and felt how beefy it was, there's my knife now, the Cryo, and here's the Kershaw filter. Let me briefly go over the details. It is a speed safe opening, and there's the little flipper thing right there. I love that feature about the Kershaws. Frame lock, and it's a deep carry, pocket carry. The steel is 3CR13. Now that virtually means nothing to me, but you knife guys, you may hold an interest in that. And the blade length 3.25 inches, and the open length 7.75 inches, and it weighs 5 ounces. I just think this knife looks hot.